Fold the sheet into a triangle as shown. Now cut it with scissors or your hands. Fold it again. Now take the scissors and cut along the folds. Now take some glue and paste it as shown. Now take the rectangular sheet and draw a circle on it. Cut it out and using the glue paste it on the Firki. Using a sharp object, poke a hole in the middle. Now put the wire through it. Your Firki is done.